Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to embed YouTube video in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First, go to the YouTube video you want to add to your presentation. Click on Share and then Embed. Copy the link and then open your PowerPoint presentation. Click on the slide you want the video on and then select the Insert tab. Click on the downward arrow next to the video icon and select Online Film. A pop-up window will appear. Paste the URL link and click Insert. Okay, here you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.